Okay, dear students, in our offline classes, we completed some parts of tenses, and I think we have completed past indefinite. Now we take up our next one, that is past perfect. You must have read in your previous class subject had plus V3. The main feature of this tense is that there is no singular, no plural. Here our helping verb is had. With every subject we use had. There will be no, we can say no chances of committing error. What our subjects are. Here, at the time of speaking, generally as the title indicates, it shows past. At the time of speaking, a particular action had taken place. Okay, now we are to learn from the point of view exam. As we discussed in our previous tenses, I said dictate you some symbolic word, some we can say important significant words, by you can judge which tense are to be used. Here, very first, you are to look at before. If before is used in your sentence, then you are to apply had plus V3. It is used in a particular case when you find before in your sentence, apply had plus V3 before it, V2 after it. We can say with before we apply had plus V3 in first part, V2 past indefinite in latter part. And our second symbolic word is after. After and before both are vice versa. What we have used with before, we just reverse with after. We apply V2 just before after, had plus V3 in the latter part. So we can say before and after both are vice versa. For example, the patient die before the doctor come. Here our symbolic word is before. With before we apply had plus V3. The patient had died. And after before we apply V2. Here we shall use okay. By the way, if you find after in such a type of sentences, then just reverse the situation. V2 is used in the first part and had plus V3 is used in the latter part. Now we take up our next rule in the same tense. As in the very beginning I have told you, we have some imaginary conditional sentences, not imaginary, conditional sentences. Here again you find conditional sentence. You will find if, then subject had plus V3. In second part we apply subject would have plus V3. We can say it is unfulfilled wish, desire in the past. एक कोई ऐसी इच्छा जो पास्ट में थी हमारी लेकिन वो पूरी नहीं हो पाई. If he come here I would have helped him. In your question paper, sometime you find such type of sentences. In one part, you will find some indications that would have plus V3. Would have plus V3. In the first part, you are to apply had plus V3. If he had come here, यदि वो यहाँ पर आया होता, I would have helped him. तो मैंने उसकी सहायता की होती. Sometimes it happens that had, if your sentence doesn't begin with if, here you will find blank in the beginning, then subject had plus V3. In second part we apply the same, subject would have plus V3. Here if we apply had here, it will mean यदि. Blank Ram answer me, I would have awarded him good marks. Now, in the very beginning, generally it happens when our sentence begins with helping verb, we apply sign of interrogation at the end of the sentence. Here, our sentence began with had, but nevertheless, our sentence ends with full stop. Had Ram answered me. यदि राम ने मुझे उत्तर दिया होता तो मैं उसको अच्छे नंबर देता. तो बेटे यहां पर हमने क्या पाया? would have plus V3. We are to glance at the latter part. What has been used in the last part? Peach. Okay, dear. Now, these things are clear. We have only two rules here. I shall give you the same topic in my second video.